Good morning. Welcome to another session of All About ECE Python tutorials for beginners. In this session, we are going to discuss about functions. What is mean by function? Correct, right? We need to know what is the exact definition of function and how it works in Python, whether it is different from other languages or not. Everything we need to know in this tutorial. So, function means which is having a set of commands and which is executed according to the that commands. It means we have the two parameters or two functions called calling function and called function. So when you have the whenever you call the calling function, then only you have to or you will be getting the output. If without specifying calling function, you will not get any output. If you specify the call function also, even though if you are not specified the calling function, then your output will be nothing. A blank space will be filled. So in this session, we are going to see that now. So to create any function, we use def. Def function name you need to add, create. So I will add, create a function called add. In bracket, I'll pass nothing. Okay. Followed by colon. After that, I need to take an variable. So okay, C equals to I'm taking A plus B. Okay. Here I have a parameters called A comma B. Okay, A comma B. So if I run this one, it is almost done. The function has been created. So if I run this code, I'm getting nothing because I didn't call any calling function, right? So this is called add A comma B called function, and we didn't call any calling function, so we are getting error. So for that one, I'm calling a function called add. I'm passing the parameters 3 comma 4. Okay. So if I run this one, I'm getting nothing because I'm not printing anything, right? So we need to print something. So print C. So if I run this one, I may get value, right? So in this way, you can return, right? So 7. 7 is my output, right? So this is called a function, a simple function creation. It means if you want to define a function using def followed by the whatever the function name itself you want, because in Python we have any name, right? We can give any variable name, right? So we can create a function name. So and I'm performing set of operations and add 3 comma 4. Correct, right? In same thing I can use any value, right? So okay, I will take in same thing. I'll in function itself I will create an condition itself. Okay, if C equals to 7, if my value C value is equals to 7, I just want to print something, right? Awesome. I just want print awesome. If my value equals to 7, I just want to print awesome. Else, if it is not in a case, it is not in a case, I just want to print the what is the value. Okay, I just want to print the values. Okay, let's run this one. So because I have been given add 3 comma 4 as variables, so I'm getting absolutely 7, right? C equals to 7, so I'm getting as what if I don't want to specify the values? Instead of specifying values, I'll get from the user itself. Okay, I'll take from the user whether I'm going to get the same thing or not, will check itself, right? So for that I need to write such of commands, right? Goma. So in this way, I can take the input from the user, right? So here I have been created a two variables called x and y. So I am giving the variables like this way. So from this I am taking the input. Let's run this one where I'm going to get same thing or not. So I'm entering the value as 5 and next value as 4. So I'm getting 9 because it is So C equals to A plus B has been performed. Whenever it's been performed, so C equals to A plus B, right? So the value of X is going to be taken by A, the value Y is going to taken by the B. It means the value of X is assigned to A, Y is assigned to B. So same values 5 and 4. So it will be added. So the variable C is whole a value of 9. So if then in the next step, third line will be executed. In such a case, C equals to 7. It means 9 not equal 9 equals to 7. That is out of that one, right? It means it is not valid and the statement is itself executed as false. So in that case, what is else print C? What is the value? 5 plus 4, 9. So in this way, the functions is evaluated. I hope this session is very enjoy for you. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box. And if you are not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon that makes me motivate to do more videos like this way. So thank you for watching.